Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be doing, I'm going to be showing you how to play Two of Us by the Beatles. This is going to be a quick, easy lesson, so let's get right to it. In this song, there are 4 sections you need to know. The first section is, of course, the main riff, which is on the 7th fret. That's just on the 7th fret. That's going to use your middle finger and your ring finger, your middle finger on the D string and your ring finger on the E string. And you're just going to play those 2 strings. Open until there, and that's an open E. Again. Okay. Of course, that's on the intro and on the outro. So that's section 1. Section 2 is going to be the verse, which is going to be G, C, then you walk it down with B in the bass, and then A minor, and then back to G. And so on. Okay, so that's the second section. The third section sounds like this. That's a little figure in the bass line that he plays. So again, that's just G, B, finger B, C, and D. If you can't do the B and the C yet, you can just play G. Ba, ba, da, we're going home. Ba, ba, da, we're going home. Ba, ba, da, we're going home. Okay? So that is the third section. So the first section was the riff. Second section is third section. Now, the fourth section is the bridge, which is totally different than the rest of the song. Those chords are B flat major, D minor, G minor, A minor 7, D7. So more in tempo. Let's we'll play it for you. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. You and I have go. And forgive that out-of-tune B string there. So again, it's going to be B flat, up, B flat. Or you can have a D minor up here, but it's a little farther away. Again, D minor, 2, 3, 4. And those are the 4 sections you need to learn to play Two of Us by the Beatles. I hope this helps. See you on the next video.